You don't run into this anyplace else, so it's a novelty.
Cabrillo Boulevard at Santa Barbara's East Beach now has a new slant on parking.
I just winged it. Hoped for the best.
As part of a safety plan, angled parking has been created here, but it requires drivers to back into the spaces. It's new, and there's a learning curve.
I can parallel park. I just don't know about this angle parking.
Generally speaking, people don't like change, and when something is different, they're hesitant. So I'm trying to give it a chance, but I've seen several near misses already.
The area has had more accidents than the city will tolerate. Vehicles have gone out of control and hit the Clark Estate wall, and one ended up in the waters of the bird refuge. There was no indication it was caused by the road, but this plan does include reducing the 2-lane area to 1 lane and slowing traffic down overall. The parking will, too.
You have to stop the traffic as you back into these parking spots, and that's kind of problematic, especially with a bike lane there. I foresee some difficulties.
We found several drivers coming from east to west, just turning in, head first. That will be a violation.
Looks like, especially if you're coming from Montecito, that you're supposed to pull in front park because you don't see the signs. We have to have very well displayed signs.
One driver from back east says she has no problem with the parking plan or backing up.
Yeah, I think angled parking's always better, to get out. This is actually, for me, easier. Yeah, because parallel, people miss and then they pull out and then they're blocking a lot of traffic.
The city has installed several signs about the parking rules, and even a guide on how it should be done is mounted on a pole.
It'll take some adjustment, but I'll do it. It'll get my reverse game going.
The overall plan creates more parking from 56 spaces before to 84 spaces now. That's 50% more, and it's free. Lockouts 3, 2, 1. In Santa Barbara, John Palmentary, News Channel 3. 11, 3, 2, 1. In Santa Barbara, John Palmentary, Fox 11 News. 12, 3, 2, 1. In Santa Barbara, John Palmentary, KCOI 12, Central Coast Local News. Generic 3, 2, 1. In Santa Barbara, I'm John Palmentary.